I really enjoy coming back to clients' homes after we're finished and have a look at the finished product after they get some time to establish themselves. Landscaping, planting, driveways, patios, all of those things come into it. Here we're going to bring you back to a job that we've done about 18 months ago now, and me personally, I think I'm absolutely impressed by the client's work on the landscaping they've done. You can really see the involvement that he's put into it, and I think it really showcases what we can see as we come through the property. But equally, I'm really loving to see the house established and standing there, making its own footprint and showcase the design of what we put into the house. Hill building obviously always brings its elements, and the first question we always get asked is, what does it cost to build on the hill? Well, what do you want to build on the hill? Do you want to build a 2-story house, single story? What's the site like? Is it steep? Is it rolling? Is it on rock? All of these elements are really important to be picked up at the start. And the best advice I'd say about that is engaging the designer and the builder and the client yourself to work together at the start to get all those parameters worked out and talked about and discussed, instead of just going straight into something and not talking to the ABC, which is the architect, builder, client. It just makes the whole package work so much more streamlined. It's the best advice I could say for coming into hill jobs and with a higher degree of difficulty. You need that partnership. Our clients on this project, one of their big emphasis was on the entranceway, and they had a particular vision of how they wanted their steps of floating to make them look like they're individual and then sort of staggered and just making a bit of a feature. We've done this in the timber, so in pods, and then backlit it underneath, so the light shines and emits out underneath. As we come through into darkness, it'll shine up the lights and then make these look like they're more floating. It's just a really cool, beautiful little entranceway with the greenery that they've put into it, and the feature timber door that we've done here, which is actually timber, not steel. But we've got a really cool porter's paint finish on it to give you that rusted Corten look. Let's come inside. As we lead in through the entranceway here, which is the greeting place for every house as you greet guests and come through, brought through the entranceway into the main part of the house, we've got this really cute little offshoot deck, which works great for morning sun. The master bedroom's actually connected off here, which is actually really nice, so you can open the doors and come through and just have the ventilation push through the house and vent all around the back of the house and all through, which is quite a nice little idea that we thought for this. Bit of outdoor coverage as well, the alfresco living, which is quite nice. Now as we pull back in, we can close this whole area off behind us with a glass door, which again keeps the sound down and a bit of noise and just the warmth into the house, because this whole area, underfloor heating throughout with the hydro heating. It's such a beautiful warm area with the passive heating coming in from the sun, with all this beautiful vista that we've got out here, which is just the whole emphasis of the house really, just to sort of capture that view and to be able to get the indoor-outdoor flow all the time. The key to this particular house was the view and the capturing of that, and also the living with the family of our clients. And I think the capturing of that is this indoor-outdoor flow area that we have here. It was really important. There's a huge design element on it. The kitchen, again, slightly different to what the norm is with a gully style kitchen, which is normally done all the time. And this has got a U-shaped wraparound, which gives a little bit of difference. It sort of goes back to a bit of an older sort of generation shaped kitchen, but I actually particularly really like it. I think it works really well for this outdoor area that I'm sitting at. You know, you can serve through here when you've got guests and friends here. It's just such a beautiful place to sit in. And then we've got this really nice detailing of the roof and the lighting, which again just makes such an awesome area to sit in and enjoy with the sun in the back, and you've got the view. This bathroom particularly, I really think has come up absolutely stunning. I love the finishing touches that we did in here. So if we start with the gunmetal finish tapware, which I think gives a nice little subtle change to the normal finish that was done on tapware and bits and pieces, and that sort of goes into the hardware behind us as well, the doors, and then also into the towel rail, mix and match for the bath as well, then trimmed up with the black. Our tiling company's done a fantastic job of incorporating all the trims together, making sure everything matches, and then also the touch of the tiling in the shower with the touch to the outside of the timber cladding cedar that we have to the house. We've used the timber cladding tile to the inside of the shower, which, you know, corresponds to the outside, which I think is a really nice little touch. The fundamental design behind the house is just a simple gable. So nice big raking gable at the front with the open plan room that you saw inside with the raking window allowing all the sun to come through. And then that ridge line just runs straight through the house with these nice little jut out pock outs for the bedrooms. We've got master bedroom, main living bedroom down the end, and then this really nice cedar finish which is washed out intentionally to give us that aged look and keep the maintenance level really low, which I think comes together really nice with the dark windows. The flat spot finish is a particularly attractive and a simple fit colour to go with, and it goes with everything. And you can see we've brought that into the dark plaster, which is nice to blend everything through, which I think is a good touch. But there we have it, team, another finished JD Homes product. Once again, massive thanks to our clients for letting us back in here to show you guys through. It's always nice for them to be able to give us the trust to come back in, but it's been such a good relationship with them building this house. I feel like it's going to last for years to come. If you need any other questions and stuff answered about building or anything else, feel free to hit us up in the messages or give us a call, and we can help you out in any way we can. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video.